Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a step across sway. Now obviously you already need to know how to do a step across to do this, and knowing how to do a sway would be really useful as well. Links in the description below. We're going to jump straight in now and show you the move. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now that was the fast timing. There is also a slow timing, which would mean you take one count longer, and it's one of those things that you'll probably find one of them suits you better than the other, and you might even find that you change which one you do depending upon the speed of the music you're dancing to, just like you would in a normal sway. There's a fast and a slow exit, there's a fast and a slow entrance for this one. So let's break it down. It goes left to right, semicircle back. It looks like you're going to do a standard step across. You start the lady moving, lift the hand, the guys are going through the archway, but as they go through the archway they pop the right hand onto the lady's hip on the near side. We go around behind the lady, so we're trying to get the lady in front of our right side. We're going to stop the lady from going too far. We're now going to bring her back, and as we do so, taking this left hand down, we transfer the hand down on the far hip and we sway the lady back, picking up the hand that's free on the left hand side. Then it's just finish the sway off, sway the lady forwards, send the lady out and face, return and back. You could end up in an accordion, or you could end up right to right, or you could even just do the return and switch to a left to right as you step away. You could even slow the whole thing down even more by doing a slow exit from a sway, or you could speed it up by doing the fast exit from the sway, so you can do slow slow or fast fast depending on how you look at it. So let's talk numbers. We go semicircle back 1, going underneath the archway, hand on the hip 2, around the back 3, and sway the lady back, picking up the hand 4. If you'd done the fast version, you'd have been there on 3. Okay, sway the lady forwards 5. We send the lady out 6, facing 7, returning 8, and back 1. So that was the slow way in and the slow way out, taking the most time. You could have taken a count out of the exit and a count out of the entrance if you'd wanted to. So let's try it. Slow version. Take your time. No need to make it difficult while you're learning it. Here we go. 5, a 6, a step across sway. We go a back, through, round the back, and sway, sway, away, look, return, and back. So that's the easy one. I'll leave it to you to have a go at speeding up the entrance or speeding up the exit. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.